This is a 4 transistor amplifier circuit board. You can get this circuit board diagram from the comment link. There are the link to get this circuit diagram. Now I am going to make this amplifier using 4 transistor. You can see this 2 is positive transistor, C5200 is the positive transistor, and this is the negative A1943. A1943 is the negative. This 2 is the driver transistor. This 2 driver transistor. You can see here this is the positive connection. This is the positive voltage will be here. This is because this transistor are positive, and that side is this is the negative transistor. For this case, here will be the negative voltage, and full down is the ground voltage. This is the speaker output, and this is the audio input here. Audio input will be here. Now I am going to make this amplifier. 4 transistor need to connect. Must use the separator. I am using this thermal paste. This is thermal paste. If you want to use, can use it. Good for the transistor. I require to use this thermal paste. Always I use this thermal paste for the transistor and IC. Okay, and now I am going to use the separator. Must use separator, otherwise the voltage will short, because here are two type of transistor, positive and negative. Positive and negative transistor. 2sc5200 is the positive, the transistor body is the positive, and 2sa1943 is negative, that transistor body is the negative. If we don't use the separator, then the voltage will short. Voltage will short. Again, I am using thermal paste. Now this side is positive 5200 transistor will be here. Positive 5200 transistor should be here. This side, and 2sa 1943 should be here. 2sa1943 should be here. Now this is the screw. I am fixing the screw here. Okay. Now I already fixed the transistor. Need to fix at the screw. Already fixed. Now I am fixing with circuit. I am fixing with circuit. It's here. Now fix ready. Now need to soldering this transistor with the circuit. I am going to solder now. I am going to soldering. First solder to corner, this one and this one. Otherwise, if I shake it, then again it will open. Now I am soldering. This circuit is not new circuit. It's 7 years old already, 6 years old already, but it's still working well. No problem. If you want the circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There have the link for the circuit diagram for transistor amplifier circuit. There have lots of amplifier circuit, you can visit there. Now it's ready. Now it's soldered nicely. Now I am going to check this amplifier. Okay. Now I am going to use voltage. This is the positive voltage wire. The red one is the positive voltage. And black one is the negative voltage. I am going to use 25025 voltage for check. I can use in the circuit 50 voltage. Now I am going to use 25025 voltage. This all are ground. Anywhere I can connect. Now I am plugging. Okay, the bulb has no light. Series bulb. That means it is okay. Now I am going to check DC voltage. Here is the ground and this is the negative 25, positive 25. And now I'm going to check the speaker output. The speaker output, look, no voltage. Speaker output has no voltage. If I touch the audio input, then the AC voltage come out. Then it's okay. Don't touch, then no voltage. That means okay. This is the ground and touching the input. Look, when touching the input, then the voltage coming out. When I touch the input, then the voltage come out. That means circuit is working well. Circuit is working well. Touching input, the voltage coming out. The circuit is okay. Now I am going to use this speaker to test. This is the ground voltage for the speaker, and this is the speaker output. Output is AC voltage. Always output is AC. Now I am touching the input. Look, the speaker is working. The speaker is working. That means circuit is fully okay. If you want the circuit diagram, please visit the comment link to get the circuit diagram. electrohelpcare.net. Thank you for watching the video.